In the quiet of dawn's gentle embrace, I find my solace, my life's sacred space. Hazel they call me, but Rumbie too, a name that tells tales both old and new. With gratitude my heart does overflow for life's blessings in a steady flow. I lift my voice in thankful song to God who keeps me ever strong. My son Denzel, my pride, my joy, a beacon of light, my precious boy. In his laughter I find pure grace, a love that time cannot erase. My mother, my mentor, my steadfast guide. With her I walk life's rugged tide. In her embrace I feel so blessed. In her love I find sweet rest and advice. As an African woman bold and free, I stand with strength unshakable see. Through trials and storms I've found my way. In resilience I thrive each day. My life a maze, it's Hazel, made whole, rich and bright, woven with faith, love and light. In every moment I stand tall, grateful for it all, and I think I found my soulmate. I am waiting for his call to ring, 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 till he can bend his knee. To put a ring, 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 rings a bell like it's jingle bells. My presence is a gift to him.